taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good evening, people. How are you, everyone? Hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. Okay, guys. Today I'm gonna cook, and Ricardo, he doesn't like to cook anymore, so I don't know why. And then it's my channel now. So, guys, please subscribe for Antonia. Okay. So, okay. Guys, today I'm gonna make it a very nice recipe. This is a Asian recipe. Spicy chicken wing with honey and soy sauce sesame. This is lovely. Okay, guys. Okay, people. This is the chicken wings. I cook the chicken wing with the salt, olive oil, bay leaves, and hot water, just like that. And then this is my sauce for my hot chicken wings. Okay, ginger, garlic, so vinegar, brown sugar, chili flakes, soy sauce, honey, sesame seed, pure sesame oil, pepper, black pepper, salt, of course, oil. So, ayan, that is yum and delicious like that. Okay, guys, this chicken wing is already cooked. Okay, boiling is look yummy. Look at that. Okay, nilagyan ko siya ng luya. I put as well ginger, so nice and smell. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make the sauce now. Okay? Lagyan natin siya ng oil. With oil. Okay. Lagyan natin yung mga sangkap. Okay. Garlic. Ginger. Ayan. This is delicious. We need a little bit brown with the garlic and the ginger. The ginger. Like that. Like this. Ganun yung chili flakes. I just combine everything. Chili, the soy sauce, okay, and the sugar. Of course, the honey. If you need more honey, you can add it, guys. Smell yummy. Lagyan natin siya ng sesame oil. It's nice. Pepper. I can smell the spicy. And a little bit salt. So nice. Oh my gosh, delicious. Lucky people. And then, lagay na natin itong chicken wings. Boiling. Simple lang po. Really easy to make it. Okay. Look at that. Amazing. Oh, it's so spicy. Ayan. Okay guys, done anyway. The chicken already cooked, so about like 2 minutes is done. Amazing. What a people. Lovely. They smell delicious. It's the spicy thing. I can still get spicy, isn't it? Wow. Okay guys, look at this. I need to separate this people. Guys. Don't worry about the mess. Okay guys, look at this. Amazing the sauce. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Okay people, I need to put the sesame seed all over. Yeah. Okay guys. Okay guys. Ayan. Nice and pretty. Okay people. It's amazing. Okay guys, thank you for your watching and hopefully you like my spicy chicken wing, honey and sesame sauce, and look delicious, spicy. And thank you for your watching. Please subscribe and like. Mwah. God bless. Bye now. Hola, Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Virginia Luli, Nikki, Paula Vera, Elias Wagner, Thiago Silva, Sheila Santini, Didi Santana, Benya Kumer. Mwah. Hola amiga Laila in Rani Longrino. Benya Kumer. Mwah.
taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from